Here I've got Nokia 8.1 and let me show you how to enable low power solution, how to enable battery saver on the following device. So the first option is to slide down the upper bar and then select battery saver. If you click one, you can turn it on just by one tapping. Here you will be able to notice that the battery icon is red, and that means that battery saving mode is on. You can obviously switch it off the same way. If you would like to allow some advanced options, keep tapping on it, and now you're in battery menu. Here you can pick the battery saver mode over here, so it's automatic one. Every time your battery is at some percentage of it, battery saving mode will be automatically activated, but you can also turn it on now by clicking over here. Let's go back, and you can also pick the adaptive battery option and see the battery percentage. So if you will enable it over here, the battery percentage will be displayed. And if you would like to have the access to this menu through the settings, you obviously can do it. Just open the settings, then pick the battery, and now we are in this menu. And then you can switch off the battery saver by tapping on turn off now. So that's it. This is how you can enable and disable power saving mode in your Nokia 8.1. Enjoy it, extend your battery life. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.